The future of work, 7 jobs AI will replace in 1 to 5 years. In this captivating video, we'll embark on a journey into the evolving landscape of technology and its impact on the job market. Join us as we explore the potential disruption AI brings to various professions. First on our list are cashier positions. AI-powered automated checkout systems, such as those seen in Amazon Go stores, are becoming increasingly prevalent, replacing the need for traditional cashiers in many retail establishments. This technology allows customers to scan and pay for items without the need for human assistance, streamlining the checkout process and reducing labor costs. As a result, we're likely to see a decline in the demand for cashier jobs, making it crucial for individuals in this field to explore opportunities in related roles, such as customer service or technology support, where human interaction remains essential. Next, we turn our attention to telemarketing roles. AI-powered chatbots and voice recognition systems, like those used by companies such as Google Duplex, are becoming more advanced. These systems can handle customer inquiries and sales calls with human-like conversational skills, reducing the need for human telemarketers and enabling businesses to operate more efficiently. With the rise of AI in this domain, telemarketers should consider developing skills in areas such as digital marketing, data analysis, or customer relationship management to remain valuable in the evolving job market. Our third job on the list is data entry positions. The automation of data processing tasks through AI algorithms and optical character recognition (OCR) technology is rendering traditional data entry roles less necessary. Companies like UiPath and Automation Anywhere are providing intelligent automation solutions that can process large volumes of data accurately and efficiently. Individuals in this field can adapt by developing skills in data analysis, data management, or machine learning, where human expertise is still crucial for extracting insights from data. Moving forward, we explore the impact of AI on driving occupations, autonomous vehicles and advancements in self-driving technology, as demonstrated by companies like Tesla and Waymo, have the potential to disrupt the transportation industry. These technologies aim to reduce accidents and increase efficiency by removing the need for human drivers in certain scenarios. To adapt, individuals in driving roles can consider reskilling in areas such as vehicle maintenance, fleet management, or logistics, where human oversight and specialized knowledge are still a necessity. Next, we address the potential impact of AI on bookkeeping and accounting professions. AI-powered software and machine learning algorithms, such as those provided by companies like Xero and QuickBooks, can automate tasks such as data entry, financial analysis, and reporting. These technologies enable businesses to streamline their financial processes and reduce the need for manual bookkeeping tasks. To thrive in this changing landscape, bookkeepers and accountants can embrace AI by becoming experts in data analysis, financial consulting, or implementing AI-driven financial systems. Our sixth job at risk is customer service roles. AI chatbots and virtual assistants, such as those developed by companies like IBM Watson and Salesforce, are becoming increasingly adept at handling customer inquiries and support. These systems leverage natural language processing and machine learning to provide accurate and efficient customer service, reducing the need for human intervention. However, human empathy and understanding remain invaluable in customer service. Professionals in this field can focus on developing skills in areas like emotional intelligence, relationship building, or specialized support to complement the capabilities of AI systems. Last but not least, we'll discuss the potential impact of AI on warehouse and fulfillment center jobs. With advancements in robotics and automation, companies like Amazon and Ocado are deploying AI-powered systems to handle various tasks traditionally performed by human workers. These systems can efficiently sort, package, and deliver products, reducing the need for manual labor in warehouses. To adapt, individuals in this field can explore roles such as robotics maintenance, inventory management, or process optimization, where human oversight and problem-solving abilities are crucial. As we conclude our exploration of the future of work, it's clear that AI will bring significant changes to various professions. It's essential for individuals to adapt, upskill, and embrace the opportunities that arise alongside AI technology. By reskilling, staying adaptable, and leveraging the unique qualities that make us human, we can navigate the evolving job market successfully. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the jobs that AI is likely to replace in the next 1 to 5 years. Stay tuned for more insights into the ever-evolving world of technology.